Are you an instructional designer who's looking to take your design skills to the next level? The Advanced Instructional Design course is exactly what you need to get you there. We'll teach you how to choose the right instructional method based upon your course content, ensuring greater design success. You'll get plenty hands-on practice designing lecturettes, discussions, case studies, and role plays, just to name a few. All your design work will be piloted in real time, allowing you the opportunity to receive valuable feedback from both your peers and your instructor. You'll walk away with easy-to-use templates that eliminate guesswork and simplifies the instructional design process. Return to work with the confidence to create materials that are relevant for your learners and foolproof for your instructors. See you soon in our Advanced Instructional Design course.